In early 2026, Tehran made a bold offer to Jakarta, not just economic partnership, but full drone technology transfer, a potential partnership to build factories and train Indonesian engineers in unmanned aerial systems. Iran's aerospace industry is one of the most battle-tested and prolific in the world, producing drones used in multiple conflict zones. And now, Indonesia is at a crossroads. Could this cooperation jumpstart its own drone industry, or does it carry hidden geopolitical risks? Today we break down the full story, what's being offered, why Iran is pursuing this collaboration, and what it could mean for both nations and regional power dynamics. Officials from Tehran, led by Iranian Ambassador Mohammad Borojerdi, have been actively pitching cooperation in advanced technology sectors, including drone systems. Iran is offering transfer of drone technology, joint production ventures, factory establishment in Indonesia, training programs and scholarships for Indonesian students in science and technology fields. Iran highlights nearly 5 decades of building domestic technological capability despite sanctions, positioning itself as a partner that, quote, makes technology independently. The offer goes beyond simple hardware. Iran is advocating knowledge transfer, meaning Indonesian engineers could learn drone design, manufacturing, and possibly operational integration. The collaboration discussions include a broad spectrum of drone uses, civilian applications, agricultural monitoring, disaster mitigation, forestry and fishery oversight, defense and security, UAV production, drone training, joint industry development. While the Iranian side emphasizes peaceful economic uses, Iran's aerospace expertise also includes combat-tested UAVs, such as the widely known Shahed series used in regional conflicts. For Indonesia, accessing that level of experience could accelerate national drone capability far beyond current development timelines. This is not the first time discussions between the two countries have involved drones. In March 2025, Indonesian and Iranian defense officials met to discuss drone production collaboration, technology transfer, and joint military education. Indonesia even considered sending a delegation to Iran to deepen technical exchange. This shows that the 2026 offer is part of a longer, ongoing negotiation, not a sudden standalone proposal reflecting growing interest from both sides to expand cooperation in defense and security industries. Analysts suggest several strategic motivations behind Iran's offer. Economic diversification. Iran is seeking markets for its aerospace expertise beyond traditional allies. Diplomatic outreach. Expanding ties with Southeast Asia strengthens Iran's geopolitical footprint. Sanction resilience narrative. By offering technology transfer despite sanctions, Iran portrays itself as a self-reliant technological partner. Soft power expansion. Scholarships and training programs serve as bridges between future engineers and Iranian institutions. Experts emphasize that Indonesia's interest must be seen in the context of technology independence and industrial growth, rather than purely military alignment. For Indonesia, this cooperation could provide access to proven drone technology platforms, support for building local manufacturing capacity, training for engineers, pilots, and technicians, foundation for future indigenous drone systems, expanded industrial base in aerospace and defense sectors. Experts point out that drone tech has multiple civilian benefits, such as precision agriculture, surveillance for disaster management, and environmental monitoring, which align with Indonesia's economic priorities. While the offer is framed around technology and peaceful applications, geopolitical realities cannot be ignored.